Hi, I'm Aiyana and I enjoy reading. Today I'm going to be reading Button Box by Aparna Kapoor. Red button, blue button, old button, new button. Button nose, button rose, whatever you wear, a button knows. Button box, button bowl, if you stumble, button roll. Down the drapes, behind the drapes, this is how a button escapes. If they break, you can stitch them. If they're lost, simply switch them. Twist and turn, pull and clutch, which buttons you can expect too much. Better than a zip, better than a string, solid and reliable, buttons are your thing. They ask no questions, they tell no lies. Just stay away from button eyes. Button faded, button shiny, button enormous, button tiny, button round, button square, button where, button there. Bottom button, button top, button, 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 stop. Thank you.